What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jazz, and today I'm back with another video. Today is going to be a long overdue and awaited apartment tour. So here is my apartment door, and this is my mat that I got some trash waiting on my boyfriend. So this is what it looks like when you walk into the apartment. This is the front door, regular front door, and we have some towel on the floor so when you walk in you don't step on my carpet. You need to take your shoes off. And this is a little overview. There's Queenie, and then you see part of the kitchen from here. So here I have my entertainment stand and my TV. I got this hat from my uncle, and I got Alexa under there, and my grandma.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
Okay. And my grandmother brought me this little prayer book and this little 3 candle set thing. And right up here I just have a picture from my high school graduation. I have a little Buddha, and I just put that there because my brother was messing with it. And I have another Buddha. Move, Queen. And I have these 2 little pull-out drawers that I just keep extra stuff that we don't need right now. Then I have another one, and then I have this little vase thing. I have a little fake plant down there with this little thing. I don't know. A whole bunch of this stuff is really from my grandmother's house. Next, I have this awesome lamp that matches my kitchen lights. But it's too bright and I don't want to turn it on because it gets really hot. Here, I have... oh, we can't really see. Why did it get so dark? Okay. Here... you have some curtains on one curtain rod, and then here we got the white pillow that I showed y'all, this little fluffy pillow, this gold pillow set that I had. This pillow came with the couch. Oh, and this is my couch. I wasn't able to show you my couch in my apartment haul, but I bought this couch from Big Lots for like $700 or $800, I can't remember. Next, I have this fluffy white pillow with another pillow from the gold set, and then a pillow that came with the couch. Next, this is our dining room. It has another chair. It's just outside because I stole the chair from outside, so I replaced it with this chair because we don't use this. We eat at the bar. These are some little scent warmers and another little thing my grandma brought over here. She's always bringing stuff. This is something my dad made for us. It is like real twine in here, and then it is off the wall, so it's like 3D, if you can tell. It's like something that they would have at like dental offices or a doctor's office or something, but we have it in our house. And then onto the kitchen. So these are the lights that go with that lamp. They're just too bright and they make it too hot in here, so I always keep that light off. Here we have our bar stool tables that we got from Amazon. We got 2 of those, and they're dark brown. And then our countertop is like this little, I don't know what type of marble top this is, but we got the oven, microwave. I got a little mat on the floor so when you wash dishes your feet aren't cold. I got this little thing and this spice rack. All my knives are dirty, but I got this little spice rack that you can twirl around. It's pretty cool. I don't ever really use it because the spices in there are weird. Then I got this little bread thing. Not bread thing. It's for butter But I use it for when I'm in the kitchen. I prop my phone up right here and I can watch my videos while I'm cooking. We don't have any napkins, just some junk. These are what our cabinets look like. We only were able to get one little area for pantry because everything else is like basically filled up. Like when all of our dishes are clean, all of this stuff is filled up. So we only had one part to put all that stuff. Then again, when all of our dishes are clean, all of this is filled as well. Then I got this blender. I love this blender, guys. It works amazing. Then I got all my spices down here, all my teas up here, medicines, bags, and then like sauces like coffee, brown sugar, teriyaki sauce, barbecue sauce. I got this big old thing of chicken bouillon because I like making chicken soup. So I got a huge thing of that, and up there I got some workout shakes or whatever they're called. And up here we have welcome to our home because this is our home. And then right here I have love much, live well, and laugh often. Those are all things that everyone should focus on in life, I think. And don't judge me. I've been very, very busy lately, so our laundry room is a hot mess. I got some whites in the dryer and our white comforter in the washing machine. Just a whole bunch of extra stuff when people come over. We have blow-up beds, the lights that we changed out because my dad is the maintenance, well, is a maintenance man. So he changed out most of our lights for us and got us a whole bunch of new stuff. Yeah, it's pretty big. It's a walk-in laundry room. And then we have this little coat closet, which is pretty messy as well. We keep Queen's dog food and extra blankets and little stuff that we need for when we travel. So here, what's up? Here is the bathroom and our room. And up here we have that sign that I told y'all I was in love with. Happily ever after, our journey begins here. Yep. And I'm not going to go all the way in the bathroom because I have a motion sensor light. And it is going to turn on the vent fan as well. So we just have a regular bathroom set up. I got a white fluffy rug with this striped foam rug for when you get out of the shower, a little thing to hold all my perfumes, and we gotta hang that picture up. I got a little plant right here, our toothbrush, and all my face stuff. I got like a little face kit right there for face mask, lotion, and all that type of stuff. And then our shower curtain, which is wet because I just got out of the shower. And I don't know if y'all recall from the last video I made, my apartment haul, and I said when I read this thing, see, when I read it, it said that you didn't need a little plastic thing that goes behind it, and it doesn't. So we haven't bought one. We have a circle tub, so we just put that on the inside when we're taking a shower, and then put it on the outside when we're done. No water goes through it. I don't know how. It sucks up all the water. We never have water on the floor. Yeah, so pretty cool. Then this is our bed, our bedroom. An overview of our bedroom. This is not our regular bed set. My grandmother is like a bargain shopper, and she found this bed set on sale, this bed comforter on sale, and ours was getting dirty because my dog keeps deciding to jump on there when we leave to go to work with her dirty claws, and our white bed set got all dirty and muddy and disgusting. So we got that in the washer now, and we're just gonna switch these two out because my boyfriend likes this one more. It's a little bit more manly, and it's feminine as well, and the white one is kind of just all feminine. And I put a pink pillow on the bed when we have our white bed set out, so it's like really girly. Yep. And then we got this full-size mirror right here. this full-size mirror right here. We got our nightstand and a picture of us from prom. These little lamps we got from my grandmother as well. We're gonna get new ones, just for the time being. And my grandmother also bought us this nightstand. I got all my school stuff. I just started school yesterday, so I got my little bundle, my book bag, and a whole bunch of other school stuff here. This is our closet. We have a walk-in closet. Mostly everything in here is mine. We have this little thing. I keep bathing suits, school stuff, and my new school clothes that I bought that I didn't have hangers for it, but my grandmother hooked me up and brought me a whole bunch of hangers. Mostly everything in here is mine. Isaiah keeps all of his stuff folded in a dresser. So yeah. Alright, so this dresser, it is not my favorite dresser in the world, but we got it for free. So we're going to paint it a different color. We're just deciding on what color we're going to paint it and all of that, and when we have time. And so this is the color of the pillow that I put on the bed when we have the white comforter set. This little jewelry thing is something that I took from my grandmother's house. She probably doesn't know. But I just keep all the jewelry she ever gave me here. I just think it's really special and something that I want to keep separate from all my other jewelry. I got a Yankee candle. And then this is also a lighter that I got from my grandmother's house that she does not know that I have. But this is like a collector's item, guys. Like, look at this lighter. It's so cool. I just don't have any fluid in it right now, but look at it. It's freaking awesome. Isaiah's Xbox, of course. Another little jewelry box that I just keep some extra jewelry in, and it has a little stone on the top. And my pink Himalayan salt lamp, which the light died. And we have this TV. I'm going to try to set y'all up on the bed so you can see how the TV is. So the TV can be like this. It can go this way. It can go this way. And it can go all the way on the wall. For when you want it on the wall. I think like this, it gives the room a lot more space. Because it's not like just all craziness. Yeah. And then this here is my little prized possession. My dad got this from an eviction. It was silver. It was a silver like tattoo table. You could put some drawings under here and copy or whatever. So I spray painted this gold, and I decided to put all my brushes under here so that when I'm doing my makeup I can just reach under and grab. I got this little setup and a whole bunch of my stuff here. Another little set. And then this is the chair that I was saying that was outside, and I had to take the dining room chair to put it outside so I could put this one inside. And then here I just have a little tub of just extra stuff that I need, like brushes, palettes. Then down here I have my blow dryer, extra chargers, bracelets. And then here I just have a lot of extra stuff, extra bags, containers, glasses, all that jazz. And then here is the mirror that my father bought me when I used to live with my dad. We just keep that in the corner as an extra mirror before we got that new mirror. Don't mind Isaiah's gun, but he has his little nightstand all junky. So yeah, that is the official apartment tour. I honestly don't think we're going to do any more decorating. Everything's pretty decorated. And then here is the porch. We have a what is it called? A covered porch, I guess. I don't know. But I have this really pretty wind chime, but we don't get any wind here because it's like in a cul-de-sac. And it's like impossible to get wind here, and I have another one here. These are all my plants. I got this plant from my mom's house. It wasn't doing too good there, so I'm just trying to keep it alive. This plant as well is from my mom's house. She had not even a caterpillar, a freaking grasshopper eating these plants, so I've been trying to bring it back to life. This one is sad. I bought this one and I had it in the house, but we live in the back of the apartment, so we don't get a lot of light, so it died. I brought it outside to try to bring it back to life. This little plant is a plant that was grown in my mom's house, grown outside my mom's house. It kept dying, but it kept trying to stay alive, so I just brought it and put it in because these grow really big and really pretty. I don't know if you can tell, it has a purple leaf on it. And another one started growing right here, so I think it's doing pretty good. Here I have three little, three little plants, I guess. I don't know. These are also from my grandmother's house. They're dying as well. I don't know why. I think Savannah is way too hot. She said she took them out of her ground and planted them in her house, and they did wonderful, and they started growing, and she gave some to my dad, and he did the same thing, but they're dying at my house. Here I have scallions, green scallions growing. I had a tomato plant right here, which died. It gave me like 3 tomatoes, and then it died. Here I have my avocado plant. It's huge. I got this one from my mom's house as well. It only had like 2 little leaves on it, and now it's really big and gorgeous. And then this down here is sweet basil that I also got from my mother. Then I just have this little rug, and this is the chair that's supposed to be inside. I'm going to bring it inside today. And this is the other chair. And that's Queenie. So guys, I hope everyone enjoyed my apartment tour. If you want to see any more videos, please comment down below what type of videos you want to see. I would love to do some cooking videos and some clean with me videos. I have a video coming out within the next 2 weeks, a video coming. And then I'm also planning on doing a prank on Isaiah when he gets home today, so I gotta hurry up and finish this video and edit it, and so I can set the camera up and hopefully prank him. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe.